how does affiliate marketing work specifically for beginners? How are you guys? My name is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur, and in this video I want to share with you guys how affiliate marketing actually works and how people are making full-time livings, excessive amounts of income, and for many people, just an extra couple $100s per month. What affiliate marketing is pretty simple, believe it or not. I'm sure you guys have heard of companies like Tesla, maybe even companies like Amazon, maybe even companies like Home Depot and Lowe's. But what affiliate marketing is basically recommending a product from one of those companies. You have to sign up, and when you do that and somebody buys that product, you'll typically get a percentage of that sale. Now, every company's affiliate marketing amount varies company to company. For Amazon, it's only a couple percentage points. For other companies, or a affiliate marketing hub, I would call it, such as a company called ClickBank, it may be much more. Or there's people out there that offer much more, depending on what kind of product and service it is. Typically for online courses, it could be anywhere between 10 and up to 50%. So if you have an audience or you recommend it out to a lot of people and somebody buys, you could be making 50% of that online course. It's quite a bit of money. But that's all affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is recommending a product. So for example, maybe it's this iPhone cable that I have sitting here and saying this is the best Anchor iPhone cable, right? And you're like, oh my goodness, I need an iPhone cable. This is nice braided outside. It's very easy to use. It seems to be very durable. I really kind of put this thing through the ringer over the last couple weeks. And I rave about this product. And then I say, hey, there's a link down below, right? There's always links down below of all the products that I use and recommend. And if you go out and you buy this Amazon or this Anchor cable from Amazon, I'll get paid on it. Now, there's tons of other companies. Amazon just happens to be the biggest one out there that you can become an affiliate on. Now, what does it take to go through that process? Typically, most places will either ask for your information specifically so they could pay you legally, and you're going to pay taxes on that income. Or if you're a business, whether you are an LLC, an S-Corp, you should have a business EIN number, and that's your tax ID number. That tax ID number is going to be important for also claiming income on your business. So that's it. Those are the only two things that you need, and then you can go out and you could start to look for different affiliate companies. You'd probably be surprised how many companies actually have affiliate marketing programs. All it is usually it's at the bottom of the page. It'll just say affiliates, and you're going to click on that. It'll say typically sign up, and sometimes there'll be a question form. They'll say, who are you? How do you plan on advertising it? How do you plan on selling the product? What kind of content do you plan on making? Maybe it's written, maybe it's video, maybe it's podcasting, maybe it's an audio format. But whatever it is for you, you just have to think about what platform is going to work best for you. Now, that's really the short of it as far as what is affiliate marketing. You're just recommending products, and if people go and buy those, you get paid on it. Now, there's a couple of things that most people won't tell you, especially some of the people I've started to see on YouTube. You have to be careful. Affiliate marketing isn't as easy as everybody says it is. It's very easy to sign up. However, actually making income on it, currently I'm making a few $100s per month on it, is a lot more difficult because there's a lot more that goes into it. So if you already have a brand that's established, or you're looking to start a YouTube channel, if you're looking to start a blog, if you're looking to start a podcast, these are all great outlets to start building an audience. And as you begin to build that audience, you'll then be able to go out and with that audience recommend products. So for example, I have a podcast that's in the top 3% in the world. I can start to mention those products that I used for just mentioning, hey, these were great products that happened to get me to where I wanted to be. Or maybe if I used other products, or the camera that I'm using, in Sony a6400, link down below, is a phenomenal YouTube camera, right? There's some pros and cons to it. It doesn't work so well if I have to hold it. You can see the jitters in it. But overall, for formats like this, where I have a tripod and I'm sitting in my RV right now, it works very well. The image is crystal clear. I can get the colors right. It's just a beautiful overall camera. These are different aspects that I can now mention to make it more appealing for people to go click on it and buy it. So this is how I'm using affiliate marketing. I'm using it through my blog, and I'm using it through my YouTube channel. I don't use it too much for my podcast because it's just, my podcast is its own separate entity, but I'm recommending products and services. I have a popular blog right now, how to start a podcast under $500. As people begin to click and buy those products, I then get paid on them. Here's the catch, though, that another one of those things where nobody really wants to talk about it. With a lot of these companies, you'll get what's called a cookie. So you get a custom link, and when that person goes to that website, so maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's ClickBank or ClickBank products, maybe it's Home Depot or Lowe's or any of these other major retailers out there. What happens is they use your link, and it registers that that visitor went to their website with your link. That cookie that stays with them, this is just a simple term for it lets the system know where they came from and who they are, will expire after a certain period of time. Some companies have it for 30 days. Some companies have it for 24 hours. For example, Amazon is only 24 hours. When they go from your link to Amazon, you'll then get paid for it. But after that 24-hour elapses, you're no longer getting paid for it. And this is where it starts to become a little more difficult. You have to create some kind of urgency for people to buy, or they just happen to know that if they buy from the links down below, or wherever those links are, they're supporting your channel or what you're doing. So that's the unfortunate part about it. You can recommend, I've recommended a $1,500 monitor in the past, and I've gotten actually a fair amount of clicks on it. But in the flip side of things, nobody ever bought it because they just weren't interested in it. But the cool part about affiliate marketing is there's plenty of other ways to make money. So if I recommend a product like this iPhone cable here, and you go to Amazon and say, you know what, I want this, and you don't end up buying this cable, but maybe you spend a couple $100 on something else, right? Maybe you're getting something for your house, something for your car, something for your backyard, and you go spend that money on Amazon. Then in return, I will still get paid for it as long as it's within that 24-hour period. And this is exactly how affiliate marketing works and can be extremely successful. So what the general public does, or most people that are getting into affiliate marketing, it's recommended that you pick a niche. Whatever that niche is. Maybe it is coffee, maybe it's cars, maybe it is home furnishings, maybe it's construction. There's, you have Lowe's and Home Depot out there. Maybe it's photography, maybe it's videography, maybe it's computers. It could be literally anything out there, and they pick a niche and they make a ton of content around that, and they recommend products and services. This is how many YouTubers are making extra money. They always have those links down below. Peter McKinnon is notorious for this. And I love Peter. He has some great content out there, but he'll always have a link down below where he'll show the light that I'm currently using. He says, hey, this is a great light. So I bought it, and I know that my money is supporting him. This is how people are making tons of affiliate money. But not only did I buy that light, but I bought an Amazon cable, I bought maybe some AirPods, I bought a variety of different products on Amazon, and he got paid on all of it. So this is where the benefits of affiliate marketing come, as long as they buy within 24 hours. Now, as far as, is it hard to make money from affiliate marketing? Of course it is. It's hard to make money in any business, but when you do it consistently over and over and over again, and begin to create more and more content, it does get easier. Your content will perform better, your links will be out there more often. And I remember when I first started and I saw, 1 click a week, I wasn't even getting an order. It took me months to get my first order. But now I go on and I see clicks every single day, and I see orders every single day, or at least every couple days. Typically they're fairly decent size orders, $50, $100, $150 size orders. So as time goes on, you'll begin to make more and more money on it. Now, there's companies that are constantly updating their terms of service. Another thing that you need to be careful of. Amazon just changed their terms of service and how they pay affiliates, and it actually went down. So for a while, it was actually really good. You can make some pretty great money on Amazon. Now, it's not so great. But there's other outlets out there that you can go to that may sell products that are interesting to your audience. For example, if you're in the audio space and the video space, you can go to B&H Photography, and if you have a good audience, they're willing to work with you. If you're in the podcasting space, Sweetwater has an affiliate program out there. There are so many different affiliate programs. Heck, maybe you're into nutrition. There are plenty of companies that offer nutrition affiliate marketing opportunities. And you can go in there, you can sign up, and then you can start recommending those products and getting paid on it. And the nice part is this alleviates the need of you buying inventory and then selling it, or you drop shipping. You no longer need to do any of that. I hate to say stuff, but you really don't need to do any of that. You can recommend the product, and somebody else is going to take care of the entire sale. There's no dealing with customer issues. There's no refunding. They're going to deal directly with that company, and in return, you just get paid for the sale. There are some downfalls too, though. If somebody returns the product or somebody's no longer happy with it, you're never going to owe money, but you will have to either return the money that you made or unless they pay and they lock in for that certain period of time. For example, on Amazon, you have to wait about 60 days to get paid on things because they want to make sure that that person doesn't return the products and they don't pay you out affiliate money that you didn't earn because that person returned it. So these are all weird things that start to come into play with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're stumbling on here and you're like, how does affiliate marketing work? I'm curious to learn more. I would definitely recommend subscribing to my channel, but be careful. If there is stacks of money or people just talk about you making millions of dollars per month or per year on affiliate marketing, they're probably selling you something that you don't even realize. An online course or something else like that. I have none of that. I fear for people that go out and buy courses from people that have never shown proof. I showed my Amazon earnings, right? There's other ways that you can make money from affiliate marketing. Amazon isn't the only way. There's plenty of other companies out there, but at least you have to be transparent about it. So if you're curious to either learn more, hit that subscribe button and that like button. I definitely appreciate it. And check out other creators' channels. Just take it with a grain of salt. I definitely recommend it. And if you guys have any questions about affiliate marketing, please leave a question down below. I'd be happy to answer it and probably make a response video to it. Other than that, love you guys. I'll see you guys later.